Python is more than just a programming language. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. Whether you're into web development, data science, or artificial intelligence, Python has something for you. It's simple, powerful, and incredibly versatile. Why should you care about Python? For starters, it's one of the most popular languages in the world, used by companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. Python's simplicity makes it a perfect choice for beginners, but don't be fooled. It's also powerful enough for experts. Its clear syntax means you can focus on learning programming concepts without getting bogged down by complex syntax rules. Imagine being able to automate boring tasks, analyze data, or even create your own video game. With Python, you can do all that and more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for coding. Plus, there's a huge community of developers who are always ready to help you out. Countless tutorials, forums, and resources are available online, making it easy to get started and keep going. Python isn't just a tool for the future, it's a skill you can use right now. Many industries are looking for people who know Python. By learning it, you're opening doors to exciting career opportunities. From tech giants to startups, everyone is on the lookout for Python developers. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Python today and start your journey towards becoming a coding pro. It's time to unleash your potential and see where Python can take you. The future is yours to create.